Welcome to Maths TV. Today we'll be going through IGCSE Maths paper 22 Feb March 2019. Today we'll be going through IGCSE Mathematics paper 2 extended 058022 Feb March 2019. Question number 1. The temperature at 7 is minus 3 degrees Celsius. The temperature at is 11 degrees higher than the temperature at this. So minus 3 is 11 degrees higher temperature. So it means that earlier temperature was minus 11, minus 13 will be minus 14. So temperature moved from minus 14 to minus 3 degrees Celsius, and the difference is 11 degrees Celsius. So our answer will be minus 14 degrees Celsius, which is already written. So I will remove this degree Celsius. So minus 14 we can write as our answer. Jody swims 22 lengths of swimming pool, 22 lengths of swimming pool to raise money for charity. She receives $15 for each. So 15 multiplied by 22, this will be equal to 15 multiplied by 22 will be equal to 330. So $330 she raised. Write the recurring decimal 0.23 as a fraction. So 0.323 recurring we can write as basically this is 1 mark question, so we can write this is equal to x, then 100x will be equal to 23.23 recurring, and 100x minus this will be, we can subtract, x is equal to 0.23 recurring, and after subtraction we'll get 99x is equal to 23, and x will be equal to 23 over 99. So our answer will be 23 over 99. Question number 4. Write 0.046875 correct to two significant figures. So leading zeros will not be significant, so we have to remove from here. So this is 8, which is more than 5. If it is 5 or more than 5, we are adding in this number. So it will be 0.047. 0.047 will be our answer. Write this one in standard form. Standard form is decimal after first non-zero number. So we need decimal over here 7, 6, and how many on the right side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will write 10 raised to the power 6. So 2.76 into 10 raised to the power 6. A tourist changes $500 to euros when exchange rate is this one. So 500 divided by the conversion factor, which is 1.0697. So this will be equal to 500 divided by 1.0697. This will be equal to 467.42. 467.42. Then question number 6. The probability that a sweet made in a factory is wrong shape is this one, and one day these many sweets are formed, so we made, so we have to check the probability for the shape being wrong. So this will be 0.0028 multiplied by 25,000. This will be equal to, we can use calculator, 0.0028 multiplied by 25,000. This will be equal to 70. So our answer will be 70. The bearing of Alexandria from Paris is 128. Calculate the bearing of Paris from Alexandria. So, for example, if this is Paris and this is, for example, Alexandria, rough drawing I'm drawing just for your explanation. This is Paris and this is Alexandria. So the bearing of Alexandria from Paris is 128. If we draw the north on this location will be like this one. So this is 128 which is given, and they are saying calculate the bearing of Paris from Alexandria. So if we take north over here, this will be like this. So we need this complete angle up to this one. So this is like same angle which is like this. If we extend this line, dotted line, so this angle is equal to this angle. This is 180 minus 128. 180 minus 180 minus 128 will be equal to 52. So this angle is 52. This angle is 52. This angle is also 52. So 360 minus 52 will be how much? 360 minus answer will be equal to 308. So this angle will be 308 and our answer will be 308 degrees. Now in question number 8, O is the origin. OA is equal to this one. So for this question also I'll draw a rough drawing. So this is, for example, O and this is A, and they are saying OA is equal to 2x plus 3y. This is OA, this is the direction of OA, and A and BA, say this is the point B, and BA is this direction. This is equal to x minus 4y, and find the position vector of B. So position vector of B will be this one. Position vector of B will be this. So position vector of B, origin to B, will be, if we take this root, this will be this minus this. So it will be 2x plus 3y minus x and minus 4y, and we can open the bracket. So 2x plus 3y minus x plus 4y. So this will be x plus 7y. This is our answer, x plus 7y. Hopefully you understood this drawing. And next, question number 9. Question number 9 is saying y is directly proportional to x minus 4, and equation we can write like this one. Y is directly proportional to x minus 4. So sign of proportionality we can change into equality and put k as constant, x minus 4, and then this is the values provided, 16 and 3. If we change the values, y is 3 is equal to k into x value is 16 minus 4. So this will be 12. 3 divided by 12 will be equal to k. So k is equal to, this implies k is equal to 1 by 4. So this is the k value, and they are saying find y in terms of x. This k value we will replace in this, and this equation implies y is equal to 1 by 4 x minus 4. So 1 by 4 x minus 4, this will be our answer. Question number 10. Calculate the total surface area of cuboid, and this cuboid is provided. If we roughly join this cuboid with dotted line, so this will be shaped like this one. like this one. So it will be having 4 and 2, 6 faces. So one face will be this one, surface area of this one will be this, and opposite side, which is this one. So these two will be having 2 into 5 multiplied by 7.5, right? So these will be two faces. Then front and back will be how much? This will be 12 and 7.5. So plus 2 into 12 into 7.5, and the third one is top and the base. So base will be how much? Base will be 12 into 5. So plus 2 into base and top will be 12 into 5. Now we have to just calculate these. 2 into 5 multiplied by 7.5 plus 2 into 12 into 7.5 and plus 2 into 12 into 5. 12 into 5, so this will be equal to 375. And 375 will be centimeter square, because this will be surface area. So centimeter square is already written, so we'll have to just mention 375. The number of passengers on a train increases from 63 to 77. So how much is increase? 77 minus 63. This will be equal to 14. Now we have to calculate the percentage increase, and this increment is on 63. So our equation will be 14 over 63 multiplied by 100. So this will be taken as fraction 14 divided by 63 and multiplied by 100. This will be equal to 22.2. So 22.2%. 22.2%. Question number 12. A cone with height 14.8 centimeters and volume is also provided 275 centimeter cube. Calculate the radius of the cube, and formula is also provided. So formula we will replace in this formula. 275 is volume, so 275 is equal to 1 by 3 pi and r square. R we have to find, so r square as it is, and value of h is 275. Value of h is basically 14.8. So we can write here 14.8, and r square will be equal to 275 and multiply by this 3. This will go as numerator, and denominator will be pi and 14.8, and we can write r value will be root of this one. So root of 275 into 3 divided by pi into 14.8. So we will calculate fraction 275 into 3 and divided by pi multiplied by 14.8. So this will be equal to 4.21. So answer will be 4.21. Now factorize, we'll have to check what is common. So common is just k. Inside will be 7k minus 15. This will be our answer. K into 7k minus 15. Now this one we have to again factorize this b part. If we check this part and this part, we are having common as 4 is common in these two, and m plus p is also common in this one. So remaining will be what? This from this portion m plus p is gone out, and this will be 3 will be remaining from this part, and from this part 4 is gone out. So 2 and into m plus p. This will be our after simplification we can write like this one. You'll have to open this bracket. So 3 plus 2m plus 2p, and this will be our answer. 4 into m plus p into 3 plus 2m plus 2p, and this will be our answer. Question number 14. Eric invests an amount in a bank that pays compound interest at a rate of this one. So compound interest at a rate of this one at the end of 5 years. Investment, the value of his investment is this one. So we can use A is equal to P into 1 plus compound interest formula, R over 100 into T is for T. So this is the amount he will get. So 6999.31 is equal to the principal amount which we have to calculate, and rate is 2.16 divided by 100, and time is 5 years. The rest we have to calculate, but first we can change 6.999.31 divided by this whole factor we can write as denominator 1 plus 2.16 over 100 whole raised to the power 5. Now we have to simplify fraction 6.99931, and over will be what? 1 plus again fraction 2.16 divided by 100 and bracket close and having power of 5. So this value will be 6. We have done some mistake. Basically we have some mistake. We have to check the calculations again. Yes, we have done mistake in numerator. This is not 6 point, this is not point here, so we have written point here, so that's the mistake which we are doing. So it will be 6999. So this decimal is creating problem. Now this will be okay. Yes. Okay, I'll recalculate this step, because step is correct, but just we have to type carefully. This one 0.31 over 1 plus fraction 2.16 and divided by 100, and over here bracket will be closed and power will be 5, and this will be equal to 6290. So this is equal to 6290. Good. Now question number 15. This is circle theorem question. They have given A, B, C are points on the circle, center O, A, B, A to B and OC. A, B and OC intersect at point P. Find the value of W. This angle we have to find. So for this one, we know these two angles in this triangle. If we find this angle and this angle will be same, so we can find this angle as 104 plus 21 is equal to 104 plus 21 is equal to 125, and 125, and this will be 180 minus 125. 180 minus 125 will be equal to 180 minus answer will be equal to 55. So this angle is 55. This angle is 55, so this angle will also be 55. Now we know that this one is from A to center, and circumference. This is 104. So this angle is up to, this is up to center and circumference, this is up to circumference and this arc. So this angle will be half of this. This is 104, so half of 104 divided by 2 will be equal to 52. So this angle is 52. This angle is 52 and this angle is 55. So remaining angle will be how much? 52 plus 55 is equal to 107. So 180 minus answer will be equal to 73. So this angle will be 73. So you can show here, like for example, 180, this will be 55 plus 52 will be equal to 107. So 180 minus 107 will be equal to 73. Now question number 17. Question number 17 is, this grid is given, this graph function is given. By drawing a suitable tangent, estimate the gradient of the curve at P is, at P basically we have to calculate. So if we draw the gradient at point P, this will be like this one. We can touch P point over here like this one. So this will be like rise will be 2.12. So 2.2, this side will be 2.2 and this side will be 3.5. So we can write 3.5 divided by 2.2 and this is negative, so we can write minus. So this will be fraction 3.5 divided by 2.2 will be equal to 1 point, rise over run. Basically we have to do 2.2 divided by rise over run we have to do, right? So rise is 2.2, so it will be 2.2 divided by 3.5, like this one. So we'll recalculate 2.2 divided by 3.5. This will be equal to 0.628 minus 0.628. Our answer will be 0.63 minus 0.63. Now question number 17. Find the value of n when n raised to the 5 raised by n is equal to 125. So we can write this as 5 raised to the power n is equal to 1 over 5 raised to the power 3, and this one we can shift as numerator, 5 raised to the power minus 3. Bases are same, so powers will be same, so we can write n is equal to minus 3. Simplification of this one, 64, we can write 64 as 4 raised to the power 3, so 4 raised to the power 3 and multiply by this one minus 1 by 3 over m raised to the power 3 into minus 1 by 3. This will cancel, so this will be equal to 4 raised to the power minus 1 over m raised to the power minus 1. So we can change numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator, so m by 4 will be our answer. Now question number 18. A pipe is full of water. The cross section of the pipe is a circle of radius 2.5. Water flow through the pipe into a tank at a speed of 12 centimeter per second. Calculate the number of liters that flow into the tank in 1 hour. So this will be basically we will have to convert this one. First we will have to check this pi r square will be the, if we draw a small shape of the pipe like this one, a rough drawing I'm going to draw for your understanding. We can draw a rough drawing like this one. So this is a circle, this is a pipe with a length of 12 centimeter. So length will be 12 centimeter and radius is 2.6 centimeter, and this cross section will be how much? Pi r square. Basically this will be the circle area multiplied by 12. So this will be the area of the pipe, and area of the pipe will be pi r square. We can replace pi, and r square will be 2.6 squared. Length is 12, so this will be pi, and pi will be this one, multiply by 2.6 squared and multiply by 12. This will be equal to 254.85. So I'll keep these numbers so that we can utilize the same number 84, this one. So this same area, this is like the volume, and this volume is in centimeter cube. So we'll have to change into decimeter cube to change into liters. So this will be divided by 1000, and they are asking for 1 hour, but this is in per seconds. So this is in seconds, so we'll have to change into minutes, and minutes then to seconds. So we'll have to multiply this with 60 and 60. So this same number we will use as fraction answer and multiply by 60 into 60 and divided by 1000. This will be equal to 917. So this is equal to 917.4, or we can give as liters, so 917 as answer. Hopefully you are understanding everything. This is simplification. We'll have to take common from this one numerator. B we can take common, a minus b over this one. We can apply formula, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So same formula we'll be using, and we are writing here a plus b and a minus b, and these two will be cancelled. So our answer will be b over a plus b. This will be our answer. And then question number 20, we'll have to multiply these two matrices. Multiplication of these two matrices will be first row, first column. So this into this will be 2, and minus 1 into 5 will be plus 5. So we'll write here plus 5. Then first row, second column will be 12. 2 into 6 will be 12, and minus 4. And second row, first column will be 4 and minus 15, and this will be 24 and minus plus 12 basically. So if we simplify, this will be 7 over here, and this will be 8. 12 minus 4 will be 8. 4 minus 15 will be minus 11, and this will be 36. So our answer will be 7, 8, minus 11 and 36. We can write 11 properly. Okay. Now find the value of x when determinant of this one is 5. Determinant, we are multiplying this with this. So 3x and minus this into this will be 7. So 3x minus 7 is equal to 5, which is given. So we can simplify. 3x is equal to 5 plus 7, which is equal to 12. X is equal to 12 by 3, which is 4. So answer will be 4. Now question 21, without calculator we have to simplify this. 3 whole 1 by 8 and division 5 whole 12. So this will be 8 multiplied by 3 will be 24. 24 plus 1, 25. 25 by 8, and multiplication we can take reciprocal of this one because we have changed division into multiplication. So this will be 5, and this one 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15 over 2. So this will be 7.5. So our answer will be 7.5. Question number 22. This is the speed time graph. The speed time graph shows the first 50 seconds of a journey, we have to calculate the acceleration during the first 15 seconds. So this gradient is required. Rise is 25 and run is 15. 15 divided 25. 25 divided by 15 will be equal to how much? 25 divided by 15 is equal to 1.666 recurring 66. Okay, so 1.66, or we can write 1.67 because last number is rounding to 1.67. The distance traveled in this 50 seconds. So area of this triangle and plus area of this rectangle. So area of rectangle will be 25 multiplied by 50 minus 15 will be 35. So it will be area of rectangle 25 into 35 plus half into, for area of triangle it will be half into base which is 15 into height which is 25. So we'll have to simplify this only, and this will be 25 into 30, 25 into 35, and plus this will be half into 15 into 25. This will give us the answer which is 1062.5. 1062.5. So we can write here 1062.5 meters. Question number 23. This is midpoint. A is the point. This one, A is given, B is given. Find the coordinates of the midpoint. Just we have to add x and x coordinate of this one plus x coordinate of this point and divide by 2. So 3 minus 5 over 2. So this will be 9 by 2. 9 by 2 means 4.5, and minus 2 by 2 will be minus 1. So our answer will be 4.5 and minus 1. Find the equation of line through A. A is this point, right? So equation line through A that is perpendicular to AB. So perpendicular to AB, first we will have to find gradient of AB. So M of AB will be equal to y2 is this one, y2 minus y1, so minus 5 minus 3 over x2 minus x1, 7 minus 2. This will be minus 8 divided by 6, 5, sorry, 7 minus 2 will be 5. So this will be equal to, we can take as it is, not an issue, because decimal value will be 8 divided by 5 will be 1.6. So okay, we can take minus 1.6 as also, but we will be using this because we have to take gradient of perpendicular to AB. Perpendicular to AB will be equal to reciprocal, I will use this. So reciprocal and the change sign, so it will be 5 by 8. So I'm taking gradient this one perpendicular because they are saying line is perpendicular to AB, and passing through this point. So C value will be y is equal to mx plus c. So we'll be changing 5 by 8, and x value will be 2 and y value will be 3 plus c, and we can write c value is equal to 3, and this will be 4. So 3 minus 5 by 4, which is equal to 3 minus 5 over 4. This will be equal to 7 by 4, or we can take it as 1.75. So C value is 1.75, gradient is 5 by 8. So we can write y is equal to m, which is 5 by 8, x plus c, it means 1.75. So our answer will be 5 by 8 x plus 1.75. This is 4 marks question which we have done 23. Next is question number 24, which is two triangles are given. We have to calculate SR. SR is this side. So we can use basically this side is required. So this over this will be equal to this over this. Sine rule we can apply. SR over sine of 53 will be equal to 7.4 over sine of 97. So SR will be equal to 7.4 over sine of 97 multiplied by sine of 53. So we can simplify this. This will be 7.4 over sine of 97 and multiply by sine of 53. This will be equal to 5.95. So our answer will be 5.95. We can write here also 5.95 centimeters. RQ also we have to find. RQ is this one. RQ. This side is also required, so we can use cos rule, cosine rule basically, and cosine rule is like RQ will be equal to this length, these two lengths, and this angle we'll be using. So 7.4, this will be RQ square is equal to 7.4 squared plus 8.5 this side, 8.5 squared minus 2 into 7.4 into 8.5 cos of this angle 26, so cos of 26 degrees. And if we remove square, so RQ will be equal to under root of whole this expression. So I'll rewrite this one, square plus 8.5 square minus 2 into 7.4 and into 8.5 cos of 26 degrees. Now we have to use calculator for this. Root of 7.4 squared plus 8.5 squared minus 2 into 7.4 into 8.5 and cos of 26. This will be equal to 3.73. So this is equal to 3.73 and this is centimeters, 3.73. Hope you enjoyed the video, you understood everything. I'm trying to explain better, and most of the difficult questions we are going through in detail. If you have subscribed, then thank you very much. If you have not yet subscribed, then better to subscribe so that you will be getting intimation for the incoming videos, and don't forget to press bell icon button. I'll be uploading topic wise explanation videos as well and past papers also. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.